So let's talk about our beautiful Bitcoin. It's sitting at 118,950, and the development in Bitcoin is exactly going as we had discussed yesterday or 3 days ago, because I took 2 days off. There is nothing new that is developed, but let's do a catch up on the short term, and I'm going to touch upon the long term. What do I expect? Because now the month of July is coming to an end and August is starting, and the outlook looks a bit worrisome, but I'll talk about it. Right now, if you look at Bitcoin from the short term perspective, it's still playing the overall game of going down towards 115. Today we saw it at 117,400 again. And if we look at Bitcoin from the charts perspective on 4 hours, I'll show it to you how it looks like on 4 hours. Just a second. On 4 hours today, again it dropped and tested this area of its trend line. You see all these piercings. This is something that I told you yesterday when we were sitting somewhere around there. I told you that there is a possibility that this might be a fake out. If it is not capturing 120, then what we are experiencing is a fake out. This will fail and it will go back below this trend line, which is the red line. It was under the downward trend previously, as you can see, and here it showed that it is giving a breakout, but I don't have faith in it. So if that is the case scenario, this will fail and it will go back. And this is 115. It's not some crazy target that we are looking at. It's not 112. It's not 110. This is the minimum that we can talk about. So the overall situation of Bitcoin is getting really interesting, and from short-term perspective, it is showing early indications that Bitcoin is struggling, because I told you clearly yesterday, and I'm going to repeat the same thing today as well. If we are not breaking above 120, living above it for more than 2 days, Bitcoin can do as much drama as it wants. At the end of the day, the only thing that is going to happen is that Bitcoin will go down to 110. It can do the sideways journey, it can do a lot of drama, but the end goal is going to be same, which is fall down. Now, the interesting thing on the larger time frame is that at 115, it's 114,700, but let's call it 115 for the easy remembrance. Now, this is a one top structure. If it turns around and creates another, this will be a double top structure. If it comes to this neckline, the possibility of going down would be more than 70%. I would pretty much be inclined that, okay, it will deliver on it. And then when we talk about going down, this is going to be the overall crash. It will crash from there all the way down to here. And that is at $110,000. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not getting any bullish. Yes, the money is flowing in. If you look at the ETFs inflow, it is in positive, it is in green. But the thing is, the overall selling pressure is right now stronger than the buying pressure. If somehow the money flow in ETF starts vanishing, I think that is the time when sellers will start winning, and we will see a dip in the market from 120 to 110. I can't call it crash. It's only $10,000. We will call it crash when we go to $70,000. But anyway, that's too early for now. Right now, let's see what the hell Bitcoin does. If it doesn't pick up the upward journey above 120, I think you should prepare for 110. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.